Hello, hello, welcome to Brno. We are in Czech Republic. It's about few hours from Prague. This room cost us only $67. I'm gonna show you that room and then I'll explain why. Of course, this room costs much more, but why we got it so cheap. So first of all, it's really weird. The restroom is at entrance. So restroom and little sink here, but the shower is in another side. So we'll go later. The room is big and very modern, but it's really weird. For example, this one, I'm pretty tall, but I'm about 5'9". If you're 6-inch, you probably bump to it. Then this TV is also weird. It's okay. The view is beautiful, and so here is a little area for dressing. A coffee machine, hot water. By the way, we in Marriott. It's Courtyard Marriott. And first time water is for free. We Marriott Bonvoy members, Titanium Elite, and water is always free. So this is first time that water costs some money for us, but it's okay. By the way, the hotel is dog friendly, so Hugo can stay with us. The parking is not included, and we paid, how much we paid for parking? Like 20 euros, but it's okay. It's rare when the hotel parking is free, so that's fine. So this is bedroom. And what also weird is it doesn't have any walls. For one night is okay. I wouldn't stay here probably more than 2 nights. We're here for 1 night. We're just passing by. We're going to Austria. So stay tuned. It's April now. And the ski season ends in a few days. So we're gonna catch some snow. So that's, I think, the best part. This is amazing. This is actually really good. And guys, it's 4-star hotel. It's not 5-star hotel, but it's really good 4-star. I think Courtyard in US, it's not as good. So this is that's a weird part. So the restroom is in our side, but I guess that's fine. The best part, let's go. Wow, this whole area, this is our private balcony, and this room is so unique. It's just one room, so it's kind of presidential suite. You go hi, but it's only one room on the floor. Look at this view. Ooh. And there is more space, so I don't know, I guess you can do party here. So we paid only $67 plus parking, of course. And why? Because we got upgraded, of course. So we are Titanium Elite members with Marriott Bonvoy, and every time we travel to any hotel, we book just regular room. I mean, we can book like most expensive room, but why? Most of the time we get upgraded, even in US. In US, it's usually harder because I think more travelers have elite status, and in US usually it's harder to get like nicer room to upgrade. We still usually will get like better room, like better views. In Europe, every time we go, I mean Marriott Bonvoy chain, we always get suite like all the time. And during like we just went to Warsaw, we also got presidential suite there. But I think it's kind of low season right now. They just appreciate that we are elite and they give us, they have it, and why not give it to us? So it's very nice. Thank you, Marriott Bonvoy. So yeah, we are very happy with that system. So yeah, we got to stay in those beautiful rooms and pay not much, but we invested a lot, like to become elite member. It's not like you just register. We travel a lot, and every time we travel we stay in Marriott chains. Welcome to Czech Republic. I'm not sure if we're gonna explore the city, but look at this beautiful view. We'll probably, on the way back, we'll probably maybe stay here. I don't know, but it's nice city to explore, and it's only one Marriott here. best part is late checkout. Right now it's 2 p.m. and we're checking out. It's also the benefit of being an elite member. We can check out at 4, but we have to go to Austria. We have an hour, 5-hour drive. So we check out at 2.